Hey guys, how's it going? Well, this is my second Batwing. And this is a custom Switchblade Batwing Swinguard, made in Italy. It's the only one in the world with these scales. It's dark Cocobolo. Had this made by Renzo Poscotto and Lucio for me. It's got a bayonet blade, nickel silver bolsters. Go ahead and close it here. Fires like a rocket. So glad to own these pieces. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Take it easy, guys. When I get the collection together, I'll do a group video for you. Anyway, take it easy, guys. Later on.